The cost-effectiveness of high-bay LED lights. The high-bay lighting technology is found in a vast open area with fairly high ceilings ranging above 20 feet. High-bay lights are appropriate and efficient luminaires to provide bright and uniform luminance in numerous commercial and industrial settings such as factories, gyms, hospitals, large leisure facilities, conference centers, storage areas, warehouses, airports, docks, aircraft hangars, etc. When it comes to configuration, high-bay lights are compatible with a wide variety of fixtures. Multiple fixtures may be used for various purposes, as they operate on the basis of the configuration and proper positioning of the fixture rather than the design. Since they are nearly compatible with a broad selection of lamps and fittings, it gives the consumer several options to choose from, which needs critical research based on usage and cost-effectiveness of these options for the consumer. HID lamps. High-intensity discharge, HID, lamps such as metal halide work on antiquated equipment that directly and indirectly costs building managers. With this equipment, light output and color rendering are inefficient and time to light up initially, and considering the flickering during initialization, also the build-up heat with HID can reduce 70% of its capacity. In fact, the lifespan of these lamps is minimal and they operate with a ballast. So, if the ballast is destroyed, it's even more work. HPS lamps. Another technology that has been installed in warehouses or factories is HPS, high-pressure sodium. This generally comes with a low-temperature color and a poor rendering of color. Besides that, it needs a period of warm-up to be at its optimum. Also ideal for installing fluorescent lights in high-ceiling installations, such as T12, T5 or T8, which are used for such applications. Despite their widespread usage, HID lamps in particular, by use of HID lamps would result in higher energy costs than required, routine maintenance costs, and poor lighting output. Why choose high-bay LED lights? Few reasons that we assessed by the usage of LED-configured setups are: energy savings is a crucial factor. Common lumen output for high-bay LED fixtures can range between 95 watts 495 watts. A typical HID fixture has a range of 175 watts 1000 watts. So your energy consumption reduces by 40% - 60. Large-scale consumers of electricity, which uses the substantial amount of time in the way lights are used, so LEDs are cost-effective. Cost reduction. Due to how light is generated by LEDs, and how they progress through their functional life rather than ceasing to function properly, the light output produced by the LED degrades very slowly over time. As a result, a high-bay LED light's operating life can be considerably longer than that of a HID lamp, thereby greatly reducing the overall maintenance cost. Lighting performance. LEDs use a multi-point design, which means they uniformly spread light on the desired surface. Therefore, even dispersal of light, in contrast, HID fixtures produce a bright spot directly underneath the fixture, with light levels decreasing drastically as the distance between fixtures increases. Thus concluded, high-bay LED lights are an efficient choice when it comes to big-scale lighting setups.